Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will show you how to show your Instagram story to only one person. So let's see how to do it. First of all, open Instagram. Now go to your profile, click on three line icon. Now scroll down and find close friend option. Now tap on close friends. Here you can see your all friends. From here, now you select only the friend whose you want to see your story. Now click on done. After this process, now add your story. Now click on close friends. Now only close friends will see your story and only one person in your close friend list. In this way you can easily show your Instagram story to one person. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.